CoSchedule is a powerful social media management and analytics tool, but before you buy, here are 12 things you need to know to make an informed decision. As one of the leading platforms in its category, it competes with other tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social, but it has its unique strengths and weaknesses. So let's break it down to help you decide if CoSchedule is right for you. The first thing to consider is the user interface. CoSchedule offers a clean and intuitive dashboard, which is easy to navigate, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. However, if you've used tools like Buffer or Sprout Social, CoSchedule's interface might feel a bit more condensed, with less emphasis on visual elements. Next, let's talk about the scheduling capabilities. CoSchedule offers robust scheduling options, allowing you to plan content across all your social media platforms from one place. But compared to Hootsuite, which supports a broader range of platforms, CoSchedule has some limitations on the number of networks it can integrate with. The third thing to know is its analytics. CoSchedule provides detailed reports on how your posts are performing, but it lacks the depth of analytics tools found in competitors like Sprout Social. If you're looking for in-depth insights, you might need to rely on third-party tools or integrate CoSchedule with other platforms. The fourth thing is the pricing. CoSchedule offers tiered pricing, but it's not the most affordable option out there. For smaller businesses or startups, it may feel like a bit of an investment compared to cheaper alternatives like Buffer. But for those managing multiple accounts and needing advanced features, it could be worth the cost. Another thing to consider is the social media calendar. CoSchedule's calendar feature is a standout, helping you plan and visualize your entire social media strategy. It's much easier to use than some competitors' calendars, but if you're after more customizable templates, other tools might provide more flexibility. The sixth thing is the customer support. CoSchedule does provide solid support, including live chat, email, and a detailed knowledge base. However, compared to Sprout Social, which has 24/7 support, CoSchedule's customer service might not be as readily available in times of urgent need. Next, if you're managing content across a team, CoSchedule offers collaboration tools that allow you to assign tasks, schedule posts, and leave comments. However, other platforms like Hootsuite are better suited for teams, with more robust collaboration features and permissions. The eighth thing to know is its integration capabilities. CoSchedule works with tools like WordPress, Google Analytics, and others, which is great. However, if you're using a platform outside its list of supported apps, you might run into issues or require workarounds. The ninth thing is the mobile app. While CoSchedule does have a mobile app, it's not as feature-rich as other tools like Buffer or Hootsuite, which offer fully functional apps. If you're constantly on the go, you might find CoSchedule's app limiting. The 10th thing is content optimization. CoSchedule provides a feature called Headline Analyzer to help you optimize your headlines for engagement, which is helpful. But keep in mind that competitors like Sprout Social offer more advanced content and engagement tools, which might be better for larger campaigns. Next, CoSchedule has a content library that helps you save and reuse posts. This can be a time saver if you often repurpose content. However, the functionality might feel basic compared to tools like Buffer, which allows you to create a larger pool of content for resharing. The 12th and final thing to know is its automation. CoSchedule allows you to set up some automation rules, like rescheduling underperforming content. But if you're looking for more advanced automation features like those offered by competitors, such as AI-driven post scheduling, CoSchedule may not be the most advanced in this regard. CoSchedule is a solid option for social media management, especially if you need a streamlined way to plan, schedule, and analyze content. But if you're looking for something more affordable or packed with deeper analytics and automation tools, there might be a better fit for you. Check out our recommended solution, which offers a free trial with no strings attached.